Here's how to make your Facebook account hidden. Now, if you don't want anyone else to be able to find and see your Facebook account, either a Google search, searching for maybe your name, your email address, your phone number, any of those stuff, I'll show you how to hide it. So let's hop into Facebook here, and we'll tap the three lines at the bottom right. Now let's tap on that gear icon at the top right. And all we have to do is scroll down, and you can see under audience and visibility, it's how people can find and contact you. So let's tap on that. Basically, what you're going to go through is this entire list and make sure it's set to as restrictive as possible. So the very top, who can see your friend requests, you're going to hit friends of friends here. Under who can see your friends list, you want to make that to only me. Basically, this will help prevent people from being able to find you on other people's friends list. And you want to choose this, who can look you up by email. Let's set that to only me as well. Who can look you up by phone number? Let's set that to only me. And then the last one is, do you want search engines to be able to find you, and make sure that is toggled off so that if anybody Googles, say, Trevor Nace or whatever your name is, then it won't show up in a Google search. Your Facebook profile won't show up there and nobody will be able to find you. This is a great way to essentially hide your Facebook account if you don't want people snooping around and seeing your profile. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.